Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today quote is all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. It's as simple as that. So far we've discussed about the class is an object in terms of thinking how to you have to think what's the object and what's class with the analogy of the real world examples, and today we are going to do it practical. So let's start it. Let me just get rid of this. Yeah, so I have taken the two numbers and I just simply want to add them. So I'm simply saying the add operation, we all know, and then simply trying to print the result. Let's say first we compile it, and then we run it, and yeah, it's working pretty fine. Let me just clear it. Now what I want is that I don't want to add operation here. I want someone from my side do this add stuff. I just give the numbers and it give me the result. As simple as that. Okay, so for that purpose, and the real life example to the define this situation is that you have a phone and you have to call someone, and the person can pick if he has you have the correct number, else someone else pick or it's not picked. So let's just take it. I have phone and I have call, but I am not manufacture my phone. I just buy it and use the feature of call. And in the same way, you have not done or create the add operation. You just use the feature as a feature. So let's create the feature, and you have to perform the add operation. So the first thing is you have to mention the access modifiers. We have talked it in the later videos what are they, but for now you consider by making it public it can be accessible by anyone which use the object of this class. And then you have to mention the data type. I'm just giving the two numbers and it give me the third number, which is the adding of the two. And then simply I make the name and it performs something. Let's just say it will take two numbers and it will return it. Simple. Let me just okay, yeah. Okay, now we have to design the structure and now this. So I'm just saying I'm call this, I'm just make the two numbers and I'm calling it. Let's say what happened. First we compile it and it will give the result. Or let me just remove this. Yeah, this say that it can't find this add because the function add is not the member function of this particular class hello. It is used by another class. So what we have to done when we trying to use the object of another class, we have to create the particular object of that particular class. So it's like you have to think like that you have call it to another person by thinking, oh, I'm going to call the someone XYZ person, but you don't have any phone. So how do you make a call? So you have to you have in the world of programming you have the virtual object, and in the real world you have the physical phone or physical devices. Let's create the virtual object of that particular class. I'm just create it and let's use it. And now let's try to see. Oh, it then just see it can't find the symbol this n1 and n2. Why would happen? I just created and called. The reason is that you have to create the reference variable. I am mentioning it when you're just writing. This is called reference variable, but let me just comment it also, and taken this. And when you writing like that way, then you got the memory. Then when object consumes some memory, the class doesn't have a memory, it's just a blueprint. The object consumes some memory and then it will have some potential. It means it will be created. Okay. And now one more thing, you have returned the two things, but you are not giving any numbers, so you have to just pass it that I am giving two numbers. And when you have to give the two numbers to someone, he or she should be able to accept it. So you have to mention it here that you got two numbers from someone else. And this, and let me just to check the result, but let me just create this. I don't need this. Just do that thing and I got the result. And I first compile it and then let us see what kind of error we got right now. And oops, boom, we got the correct answer, 9. So this is the classic example of the classes and objects. And here you see that we have two numbers and we have to design a class here which takes the two values or method, and then we got the output which we use here. And this is the clean class. We don't implement it here, we have separate the implementation another part and just do the things, do the overview things. And why we just put the hard code, just pass it simply. And now again we try to run it. Let's see, it will be perfectly fine. Don't hard code it unless it is very necessary. So that's it for today, guys. Take care. Bye bye.